Welcome back again, guys, to V.S.L Concept YouTube channel. Yes, your one and only sure plug for all the wonderful legal tips on how you can make money online and how you can actually grow your business, promote it, and make sure you get sales. Guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to make money online in this year 2023. Yes, the year is still fresh, and so many people are asking, how can I make money online legally? In this video, I'll be showing you the wonderful tips and things on how you can get that done very well. Now, the beauty part is that you really do not need capital for you to do this. So the steps I'll be showing you in this video, you require no capital at all, no investment at all. I'm not talking about you going to freelancing website to set up profiles and the rest of them. As you may already know, I'll be showing you new secrets. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video from beginning to end so you enjoy all that I have to offer you in this video. Before I continue, I would love to announce the winner of our last video. Yes, in the video that we uploaded some time ago, we mentioned that the first person to give us the answer to the riddle question in that video will win a special prize from us. I am very happy to congratulate Jeremiah Parker. Yes, Jeremiah Parker, you are the first person to answer that riddle correctly. Please do want to contact us immediately for your prize. And I also want to congratulate Joy Uchenna. You are the very first person to mention when we dropped emojis on that video. You gave us the exact time that the 3 emojis dropped. Congratulations to the 2 of you. Please do want to contact us so you can get your amazing prize. Guys, in this video you are watching, you stand a chance to win a wonderful gift also from us. This is a super mega gift. So we'll be having just one winner because it's a mega gift. What is the criteria to be this winner? Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. You will see 3 emojis. Mention when those 3 emojis dropped and also answer the riddle correctly. Be the first person to tell us when those emojis dropped and also be the first person to answer that riddle correctly, and you stand a chance to win that wonderful prize. So put them together, drop your emojis top, and the next should be the answer to the riddle in one comment, please, in one comment, guys, so you can stand a chance to be the winner of that prize. Without wasting time, guys, let's head on to the deal of the day. How you can make money online in this 2023 without capital. The very first way that I'll be showing you now are for persons who really do not want to put in so much work. You just want to relax and make money. Guys, this way is for you. The second way, which is the deal breaker that I'll be showing you, is for persons who wants to earn money for life working online. For life working online. So please stay tuned as I mention these 2 ways to you. That first way on how you can make money in this year 2023, which is a brand new secret, is what we call declutter. Yes, you might wonder, what is declutter? What does it involve? How does it work? Guys, let's head on to Google as I show you exactly what declutter is, how it works, and how you can make massive money you actually decluttering used items. So as you can see here on Google, declutter means remove unnecessary items from an untidy or overcrowded place. So simply put, it is the act of someone selling used items. We have persons who want to relocate out of the country, persons who just want to sell items they don't need again. They need people who will help them sell this item fast and sell it very well. This is where you come in. So you would actually be a middleman between the buyer of this item and the seller of this item. So guys, how do you work this out? Let me take you straight onto Instagram, where we are going to search for people who are already doing this business. Declutter. Search for declutter on Instagram and you are going to see so many pages. You can see all of them. Now let me just open this best declutter in Lagos so you see what the person does and how you can replicate what he is doing. As you see, he has about 98,000 followers here on Instagram, and here you see him uploading pictures of product that he have gotten from people who wants to sell these items. Take for example, this AC that you are seeing here is a 1.5 horsepower AC, and you see the price it's going for 180,000 naira. This person definitely would have added his own amount to it. But the question is, how do you get persons who actually want to sell these items? Guys, it is very easy for you to get. You can head on to product listing websites like Gigi and the rest of them, and you are going to find people who want to sell their used product. Take for example, you can see this AC here that is going for 95,000. This is the owner that is wanting to sell it for 95k. But on Declutter, you will still see the same 1.5 air conditioner for how much? 180,000 naira. This business is a business that has come to make people rich in 2023. You are now privileged to be the first person that will see it. So please and please, make sure you take it very serious. So the idea is just to go out there, set up your Instagram profile, your Facebook profile as someone who is actually decluttering items. Go out there and look for persons who have already set up their profile and see what they've done, how they wrote their bio and the rest of them, so you can emulate what they've done and try to be very credible. Now you go over to Gigi, get pictures of these used items. You can see a fridge here for 70k. You can see cotton. You can see a cooker. You just go on Gigi. Once you come to Gigi here, come to their category section. Come to category section and click on home and furniture appliances, and you are going to see so many home items that they want to sell. These are owners that want to sell it. So you pick them up, put them on your declutter profile. Another big question you might have is, how can you actually get followers like this person have 98k followers already? It is not just to have followers, it is to have followers in a particular location. Take for example, this person have best declutter in Lagos. The person's location is in Lagos. So it means people who would actually follow this account will be people who are based in Lagos. Guys, I have made a video on how you can actually drive traffic to your Instagram account and have people in a particular location follow you. Indicate your interest in getting that video in the comment section below by saying, I want the video on how to get followers in a particular location, so that I can upload that video and you see how to do that very well. So what am I saying? If you're in Port Harcourt, for example, you would now set up your profile and say declutter in Port Harcourt, and now get persons around Port Harcourt to follow you, and also get persons who are also willing to sell products in Port Harcourt on Gigi or any other listing site, so you can get the products in the same city where your audience are. If you're in Accra, in Kumasi, you can also do the same thing. Just make sure that they are all in the same location. I also already told you that I'm going to give you a video on how to get your audience to be in your location. Drop your message in the comments below so I can drop that video immediately, how to get your audience in a particular location. Guys, this declutter is something that is just booming right now. Please and please, take it very serious. Do not joke with it. Are you enjoying these wonderful tips I'm giving to you on how you can actually make money in this year 2023? Guys, do well to subscribe to this channel, 1. Do well to share this video 2. And do well to like this video so that other persons will be able to see this wonderful opportunity that we are giving to you. Guys, I will not waste time but go on into telling you that second way that you can actually make money in this year 2023. It is no other way than you offering a digital skill on the internet. Yes, what do I mean by you offering a digital skill? As you know, digital skills are skills that you offer where you really do not need to meet with your customers face to face. For example, graphics design is a digital skill. Website design is a digital skill. Digital marketing is a digital skill, and so many of them. So you need to learn a digital skill in order for you to actually make money for life on the internet. There are so many investment packages, plans, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the rest of them. But guys, they are not sure for life. It's still a 50-50 chance when you go into it. But once you have a digital skill and you offer that skill online, it is guaranteed that you would make money online. I know some of you watching this video may not even have a digital skill. Congratulations to you, because we at V.S.L Concept are actually offering a 2023 Youth Empowerment Program where we will train you on a digital skill for free. Yes, you heard me, free. We are running a free online graphics design empowerment program and a free online website design empowerment program. So you just pay money for certificates. So instead of you looking for a huge capital, 100K, 150K, 200K to learn this skill, you learn it from us for free. Please click on the link in the description below so you can actually get links to these trainings and join the training immediately. So guys, you have to learn a digital skill, and we are giving you the opportunity to learn that skill for free. And now, how about persons who already have this digital skill and you are now looking for a way to promote it on the internet? I have wonderful news for you, because in this 2023, we have discovered a brand new strategy on how you can actually get clients on the internet. Brand new, unadulterated. I'm not talking about you setting up accounts on freelancing websites. No. Neither am I talking about you trying to see how you can print flyers and the rest of them to promote your business. No. Brand new strategy. You've never heard of it before. It is working like wildfire. For me to drop that video that I've already recorded, guys, I need to see 1,000 comments in the comment section below before I can drop that video. So please head on to the comment section now and say, I want the video on how to make clients, so that I will drop that video immediately we hit 1,000 comments. Yes, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. So go to the comment section below and make sure you comment, I am interested, so that you would actually see the video on how to get clients. Are you enjoying this wonderful secret that I'm giving to you? Guys, are you also enjoying the special offer we've given to you to learn digital skills for free? If you know you are enjoying this, please hit the subscribe button now, like, share this video so that other persons will see this and enjoy this wonderful opportunity too. Remember to turn on post notifications so that you always be updated when we drop a new video. Guys, let's now take a recap of what we have done in this video. At the beginning, we announced the winners of our previous videos. Congratulations to Jeremiah and congratulations to Uchenna. So you guys should contact us immediately. We also mentioned that you watching this video stand a chance to win a wonderful mega prize from us if you tell us when the emojis dropped and if you answered the riddle we are going to drop very soon correctly. We also mentioned that the very first way you can make money in this 2023 is to declutter used products. Yes. Do you have plans setting that up immediately? Please do, because you're actually going to make a whole lot of money from it in this year 2023. I will mention that the second way that is very sure for you to make money, massive money on the internet, is get a digital skill. You will make so much money from it. We offered you the opportunity to learn graphics design or website design for free from us. Please click on the link in the description below so you can get that right and join an ongoing class. And then we also mentioned that the requirement for us to drop the video on how to get clients is we getting 1,000 comments in this comment section below. So what are you waiting for? Quick. Head on to the comment section and drop your comments. Guys, it is now time for us to ask the riddle question that we mentioned earlier. And the riddle question of this video is, what is black when you buy it? It is red when you use it, and white when you are done with it. Did you get that? What is black when you buy it, red when you use it, and white when you are done with it? Guys, quickly go on and comment in the comment section below the answer to this riddle, and make sure you also add when those 3 emojis dropped on the screen so you can be the winner of our massive special package, special prize. What are you waiting for? Head out to the comment section and do well to watch other wonderful videos that will be popping up on your screen shortly, because these videos are there to help you in your quest to make money on the internet. I can't wait to announce you as the winner of this grand prize in our next video. So guys, turn on post notifications so you know when that video will drop. Like this video, subscribe so other persons can have the opportunity to learn what you have just learned, and I'll see you in the next video.